Everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can create an amazing business card for your business in Canva. So let's start. First, you want to go into canva.com, go with the create design, and go with a business card, or write it here if you can find it. Business card, vertical, or this one is really up to you. And what I really love about this is that you are going to have so many templates here that you can use. Just try to find in what business you are making. Let's say that I'm going to have a music business card. So yeah, I will find this music business card all, and here I have it. Maybe this one here, and it's completely for free, so this is what I like. So I will just rename it to my music shop by everything. Okay, and now with a Marcus Stone. Yep, so you can add also text here if you would like. Add it here and add the address. Come here to this address, and then you can print it, or you can just download it. File to PDF print. Okay. Download, or you can order it through Canva. It's really up to you. My music shop, and as you can see, you would just send it to someone who is printing those, and they will print it for you. So okay, let's try also different one, templates, and let's go that I'm a web designer. So again, let's delete everything, and I can choose, I don't know, this one here. But as you can see, you need to pay for this, so you need premium, and you will have a link in the comments in description that you can use. So maybe this one here, yeah, this is for free outside the box. But let's say that I'm going to use some different one. I don't know, this one here. Yeah, my web. Okay, here I have it. I would like to use. Marcus Stone, web designer, and right now I'll write here my web. This is my website, and I would write it. So right now, again, download, PDF print. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, here you got it. Really cool, really good quality. And this is how you create your own business card. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya.